Now I got to remove that bolt down there. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Real easy to get to. It's not a big deal. That bolt right there. That's on the new cable. It's already, that piece is already on there. So that's a 3/8 inch bolt there. So got me a little socket here. Real easy to remove. Here's where. Okay. See if I can zoom. Okay. That's your firewall adjuster, cable adjuster right there. It's where it goes into the car and attaches to your clutch pedal. So I'll remove that and go under the car and take a few shots under there. It's not a real difficult repair. That's the cable. Of course, take that bolt I was talking about off and fish it out. Right there it goes. Can't really see it. Right there is where it goes under the car and goes through the bell housing, attaches to the clutch fork. So let's move on.